What would you do if your income stopped tomorrow? No warning, no backup. This one mistake forces millions into debt every year. The solution is simple: an emergency fund. An emergency fund is the foundation of smart money management, yet most beginners skip it. In this beginner guide, you'll learn how to build an emergency fund step by step, using simple finance tips anyone can follow. An emergency fund is money saved only for emergencies. Not shopping, not vacations, only real emergencies. Examples include job loss, medical bills, or urgent repairs, unexpected expenses. This fund protects you when life surprises you. Why an emergency fund is important. Without an emergency fund, people rely on credit cards, our loans, borrowing money. That leads to stress and debt. An emergency fund gives you financial safety, peace of mind, better control over decisions. It keeps your long-term investments safe during hard times. How much emergency fund do you need? Start small. Begin with 1 month of expenses, then build up to 3 months for stable income, 6 months for variable income. This is not about being perfect. It's about being prepared. How to build an emergency fund. Step 1. Track your monthly expenses. Know your basic living costs. Step 2. Set a fixed monthly saving amount. Even small amounts work. Step 3. Keep this money separate. Use a savings account, not cash. Step 4. Add money consistently. Consistency matters more than speed. This is one of the most important finance tips beginners can follow. Common mistakes you must avoid. Mistake 1. Using emergency money for lifestyle spending. Mistake 2. Waiting for extra money to start saving. Mistake 3. Keeping the fund in risky investments. Avoid these mistakes to stay financially safe. 2 people face the same emergency. One has an emergency fund. One does not. One stays calm. The other falls into debt. The difference is not income. It's preparation. So here's the question. If an emergency happens tonight, are you ready? An emergency fund doesn't make you rich, but it keeps you from becoming poor. Comment below. Have you started your emergency fund, or are you planning to start now?